Switchblades.tv presents available at assistedknife.com. Roadsideimports.com presents Bradley Cutlery Company's custom Mayhem Balisong, made in the USA. The only production balisong made to date with S30V crucible metal for the blade in an extra huge stock, was 0.15 thick and looks super beefy next to any other Butterfy made. This unique curved handset is also a USA first. This slick design uses 4 uniquely designed and profiled titanium slabs for the handle, where all others have a single profile that's recycled 4 times. Polished spring steel pocket clip and latch. No expense was spared here to bring you this awesome design, and it to have a false edge on one side with a razor sharp edge on the opposite side of this spear point blade. Has phosphorus bronze bushings, Zen pins, and the spring latch with blue anodized spacers. It's 3.6 S30V stainless steel. Available at assistedknife.com. Got questions? I got answers. Email me at jb@roadsideimports.com.